you had mentioned way back that you hadn't learned about the Holocaust at all until you were 14.
Can you imagine? I go into the library, I'm like in the 9th grade. I need a book, I say to Isabel, our librarian. She said, this is a good one. It's called Eva by, or Ava. It's by the same guy who did the, it doesn't matter. The Brazil, you know, the book on Mandela, Boys from Brazil, the same guy. It's the story of a girl who's escaping, trying to escape the Nazis, and she pretends not to be Jewish. And I think Isabel said, this is about a girl who's in World War II. That's how she says it to me. She has no idea I don't know about anything. And I sat down and I read it, and I was quite a reader back then. I get on our living room couch at 8 o'clock at night, and I don't stop reading it till 4 in the morning. I remember the sun is coming up when I put it down. I'm sobbing, and I just walk down. Remember I talked about Shore Road and I left my house and I just walked along the Shore Road sobbing, sobbing. And the world changed for me forever.
Tell me a little bit about how the world changed.
Well, here I had been, my whole family had been. We were safe here. How come they didn't tell me? And my grandfather, all his other brothers, what happened to all of them? What's going on? I had so many questions. What is this big lie? There was a lot for them to tell me then. And so they started to tell me what happened to our family, and slowly it came out. But I think that sense of vulnerability, that being Jewish is dangerous. Wow, this was a lot bigger than just being called kike. This was a lot bigger than saying Jews don't answer. Huh. And it's hard to explain to somebody who's not Jewish in America. And frankly, I find it sometimes hard to explain to some Jews, because for me it stayed forever.